In this video I'll be talking about the first tab of SIDSS software. Here we enter the site information, for example latitude, longitude, site's elevation and the sensor elevations from the ground for air temperature as well as wind speed measurement heights, and the central longitude of the time zone whichever the site is in. So to figure out the time zone, you can just figure out how many hours we are behind the GMT time. So for example we are in Colorado, so it is -7 hours, so that one would be 105 degrees. So there are other like -5, -6, -7, -8, so that would be 75, 90, 105 and 120 degrees. So that information can be chosen from here. So since we are in Colorado, so I'll choose this time zone, the central longitude, and we can enter the information for the site to later on refer, and if you want to run it in another session, so we can just pull the information from here and choose whichever one we have, or we can save a new one. Say for example so you can add any details here. So these two fields have no consequences on calculation, so it is just for later reference. So you can save the record, and if you want to pull any record, it can be done from here. You can modify it, so you just select the record, and then if you want to modify or edit something, so it can be done there. So you have the information. So all these fields are editable and later on retrievable. And these information, latitude, longitude and sensor elevation, all these information are used in energy balance method. So you have to, so I'm going a little bit ahead of myself, but so rest of the software pulls the latitude, longitude and other information from the first tab. So wherever you are using, so it will be pulling it from here. So for example for RefET calculation, it will still be pulling the information from the site info. So you have to pay attention which tab you are working on. And so if you are working on RefET, so you have to enter the sensor heights and site location of the data logger tower at the weather station. And if you are working on a energy balance based ET calculation, so in that case you will have to enter these information from the sensor that is located on site. So just a minor detail to keep in mind. Thanks.